Hello everyone, this is your Daily Dose of Internet. On a bright sunny day in Florida, a random lightning strike hit this tree. This occurrence is pretty rare, but lightning can strike even if the closest storm is 25 miles away. This guy has a fish that spits at him every time he stops by to say hello. This is a sperm whale. Not only is it the loudest animal in the world, but it creates one of the loudest sounds ever. The clicks these whales make reach about 200 to 230 decibels, which is louder than a rocket ship or a volcanic eruption.
These clicks are so powerful in the water that they can blow out your eardrums easily, and they could actually vibrate a human body to death.
Bros better not land on me. Aw, dang, that's crazy.
This goose came and scared away this gorilla. Have you ever been in such a hurry that your boat starts flying?
Send it!
This photographer captured this amazing shot up in the North Atlantic Ocean. Here's a time lapse of a little pea growing. That's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very soon. Later.